Hi, I would like to introduce Numina Group Order Fulfillment Solution, Pack and Ship Automation. The Numina Group is the industry leader in this area with over 25 years experience in creating, designing, and implementing pack and ship automation. Our end-of-the-line automation options include auto scan, weigh, dimension, print and fold insertion into open cartons, and print and apply technology for both ship labels and compliance labels. Our PFI solution prints, folds, and inserts up to 7 pack lists, invoices, or return labels directly into an open carton. We also implement solutions with our very own ship label over pack slip label, which is very popular with our e-com type customers. We have a unique patented process where we print, fold, and tuck a full 8.5 by 11 inch pack slip directly under a ship label. All of our solutions reside within Numina Group's RDS Unified WES platform, which allows seamless integration to any WMS, ERP, or manifesting system. The Numina Group systems can scale from processing a few thousand orders in a day to thousands of orders every hour. The Numina Group print, apply, and automatic dock insertion technology allows our customers to eliminate outbound bottlenecks by automating all those manual labor-intensive tasks while enabling our customers greater efficiency and profitability in their outbound operation.
Contact the Numina Group to drive higher productivity and increase profitability in your warehouse operation.